Assalamu alaikum students of grade 4. How are you? As you know, we are doing unit number 9. Today we will do lesson number 8. And the lesson name is subtracting pairs of 3-digit numbers. Okay? And I hope we have understood all the lesson of this chapter, and today is the last lesson of this chapter. Okay? Workbook page number 96. I am going to do first challenge of page number 96. Challenge 1. Choose any of the numbers from the circles and write them underneath each two-digit number to make different subtractions. Okay. First, you will understand the statement of the question. Choose any of the numbers from the circles and then write them underneath each two-digit number to make different subtractions. Here, first number is written 65. It is written in your book also, okay? And here you can see other numbers written in the circles. There are 7 numbers written in the circles. First number is 21, other is 32, next 24, 31, 33, 42, 12. Okay. Now what you have to do? You will write any number of your own choice underneath these 65. Here 65 is written and the place value of 5 is unit and 6 is tens. Okay. You have to return any number of your own choice from these circles. Then you will do subtract. Okay. Now I have choose 42. I have chosen 42 number from these circles. You can choose any number of your own choice like 21, 32, 24 or 33 like this. I have selected 42. Then I will write 42 under the 65 like this. Then you will start subtract. Okay. Then from subtracting, what you will do? You will start from the unit. Remember, always start from the unit numbers. Here unit number is 5 and 2. So 5 minus 2, it is equal to 3. And the next number is tens, which is 6 and 4. Here 6 minus 4, it is equal to 2. So our answer is 23. Okay. 65 minus 42, it is equal to 23. In the next part, you can choose any number from this circle, then you will do subtract. In other parts B, C, D, E and F. Okay, you will do like that. It is your homework. Now move to the challenge 2. Read each of these word problems carefully. Yes, you can see some statements here. These are the word problems. Okay, first you will read it, then you will solve it. Okay, first word problem we have to go to start. Number 1, A. Harriet has $762 in her savings. She takes out $459. How much does she have left? So, first you will think it is a question of addition or subtraction. So, you have to focus on the question statement. Harriet has $762 in her savings. Yes, how much saving? $762. It is the amount that she has saved. $762. Okay. Then she takes out $459. It means that she has spent $459 from 762. Then you have to tell that how much does she have left. I think you got it. You will do subtract. You will do subtraction from the saving money to the take out money. Okay. So how you will write it? I will tell you now. Saving money is that $762. So you will write it savings is equal to $762. It's the saving money. Now how much she takes off? She takes off $459. So you will write it like takes out is equal to $459. Because she has spent, so you will subtract it. Okay. Suppose you have some money and you have spent it anywhere, then how much money there is left? What you will do? You will subtract money from the total money. Same like you will do like here. So you will write left is equal to $762 minus $459. Understand? Here saving money, then takes out money, then left. How much does she have left? So at the end you will write left money. Okay. What you will do? You will subtract takes out money from the saving money. Because these are 3-digit numbers, so you will write first unit, tens, hundred, like that. Then you will write the saving money. It is 762. Then you will write the money that she takes out. It is 459. Then you will do it subtract. Okay, because she has spent it. The money she has spent, you will subtract it from the saving money. Yes. Now you have to start from the unit. Remember, I have already told you that subtraction or addition you will start from the unit. Here unit number is 2 and 9. So 2 minus 9. It is possible? No, because 2 is smaller than 9. So what you will do? You will take help from the other number. Other number is 6. So you will take carry from 6. Okay. We have taken carry from 6, then it will become 12. First it was 2, now it is 12 because we have taken carry 1 from 6. Okay. Now here 5 will remain. Okay. In the place of 6 you will write 5 because from 6 one number is given to the 2, so it will be 5. Now we are going to start subtraction. It is because it is possible now. 12 minus 9, it is 3. Then 5 minus 5, it is equal to 0. Here 5, I again told you that 5, why 5 is here? Because we have given carry 1 from 6. So it is 5 here. So 5 minus 5, it is equal to 0. And 7 minus 4, it is equal to 3. So our answer is 303. Okay. It means that the money that is left now, it is $303. Understand, students? Other questions same like that. A piece of string is 500 centimeter long. A length of 169 centimeter is cut from it. What length is the piece of string now? Suppose you have a string, its length is 500 centimeter and you have cut 169 centimeter from the string. Then how much it will left? Again, same method you will use for the B part, subtraction. Okay, it will be the question of subtraction. Now move to part C. Same challenge. Read each of these word problems carefully and we are going to solve part C of the word problems. The statement of the word problem is that there are 593 photos on the school computer where teacher uploads another 235. How many photos are on the computer now? Okay, very simple. Take your example. Suppose that in your computer there are 593 photos. Okay, then I send you more 235 photos in your computer. Okay, then how will be their total photos? Very simple. You will add both photos. Already they are in the computer. You will add the other 235 photos. Okay, so how you will solve it? Yes, number of photos in your computer is equal to 593. Okay, number of photos in the computer first, it is equal to 593. Then your teacher upload and other 235. So upload photos is equal to 235. Then what you will do to tell that how many photos are on the computer now? You will add all the photos all together. So total photos is equal to 593 plus 235. Okay, got it? It's very simple example. Take your example, keep in your mind, then you can solve it easily. So now we are going to start addition. Because these are 3-digit numbers, so you will write unit 10, 100. First you will write 593, then you will write 235, then you will add it. So we will start from the unit. So 3 plus 5, it is equal to 8. 9 plus 3, it is equal to 12. So it is 2-digit number. So you will write only 2 and 1 you will give carry to the other number. It will be 1. Okay. From 12 you will write 2 and 1 you will give carry to the other numbers. And the other numbers are 1, 5 and 2. You will add these three numbers. 1 plus 5 it is equal to 6 and 6 plus 2 it is equal to 8. Okay. So it means that there are 828 photos in the computer now. Very simple question. You got it? So A, B, C and D part you will do in the notebooks, homework notebooks, okay? And the challenge one you will do on the workbook, page number 96. Other parts D, E, F same like that. Some are addition question and some are the subtraction. So you will do it in your homework notebooks. Today our unit number 9 is finished. Inshallah next time we will do our next unit. Okay students, goodbye. Have a good time.